Ele aqui tem pergunta.
Ele também aqui começou a falar. Who first? He's Indian.
Huh?
Who will be first? He has question here.
What are you question? Quick.
A gente ontem na aula, no meio do dia, a Gabriel falou que durante a conversa de Brahma com os Kumaras, ele falou fez uma analogia assim, que os Kumaras, os sannyasis, na cabeça do corpo, na praça da garganta, o Brahmacharya o coração, mas eu não entendi isso como claro, o astro que parte do corpo. Eu queria entender assim, o significado dessa analogia.
He's saying that when you explain how the four Kumaras,
Huh?
when Brahmaji wanted the four Kumaras to get married and to produce children and all, and they wanted to take sannyas, and Brahmaji said, because, and he gave comparison. The sannyas are like my head, the Brahmacharyas like my heart, and the Vanaprasthas are like throat, and then Brahmachari, Grihastas are like, and then I think he didn't understand what is the meaning of this analogy, and also what is the Grihasta in this comparison.
Here is saying which ashram is higher level. So in Srimad Bhagavatam also explained it. The Krishna, Lord Narayan told Brahmachari Hidayam Mama. Brahmacharya is at my heart. Grihastha Jagano Mama. Grihastha life is the lower level of or stomach. That is called the Jagannath. Sorry, Banprasthi, this is my throat, coming upper. Then Sannyasi, Sirasi Mama. Sannyas Dharma, that is my head. So according to the level, Grihastha, Brahmachari, Banprastha, then Sannyas. So in this way, Srimad Bhagavatam is saying there are four ashramas in this way going on, up to down to up.
I'm just
Understand?
tem quatro horas vamos sempre abaixo assim.
So, but this is for the ordinary people. But those are doing bhajan and sadhan, they can stay any ashram, that is the best. Kriva Vipra, Krivanyasi, Shudra Kenena, Jai Krishna Tattvavikta says. Ashram is, that is for the ordinary people. Those who are not doing bhajan and sadhan. And those who are doing bhajan and sadhan, they can stay any ashram. They are higher than others. सन्नास नहे यदि कृष्ण तजे ब्राह्मण चंडाल नहे यदि कृष्ण भजे ब्राह्मण नहे यदि कृष्ण तजे. And one who performs bhajan and sadhan, he is not chandal, and one who does not perform bhajan and sadhan, he is not also brahmana. So that means varna and ashram, everything depends on their gunas. Gunas, mood of, and different mood. These things. Sattvic, Rajasic and Tamasic gunas. Chaturvarna maya system, guna karma vibhagasya. Krishna told to Arjuna Srimad Bhagavad Gita, I manifested Chaturvarna, four varna and ashram, I manifested according to their gun and karma. Karma, their activities. They are, so those who are tamasic, they are called Shudra. Rajasic, they are called Kshatriya. Or Sattik, they are called Brahmana. So in this way, four varna and four ashram, this way. Actually, in the beginning of the creation, Lord creates this varna and ashram this way. That time, Brahmanas, they know, in the beginning of the creation, that is called one varna and one ashram. That is called Hamsa varna and Hamsa ashram. our Upanishad explain this way, in the beginning of the creation, Srishti Prarambha, that only one Varna and one Ashram. That is called Hamsa Varna or Hamsa Ashram. Hamsa means swan. Swan can discriminate with the milk and water. And if you give the the mixed milk with water, the swan will drink the milk and throw the water. So in the beginning of the creation, people, their mind is very calm and quiet, no contaminated with any kinds of gunas of Maya. Understand these things? So they are called, that is called the Hamsa Varna and Hamsa Ashram. Their mind not disturb any gunas of Maya. But slowly, according to the influence of the Maya, then people mind contaminated and Sattva, Raja, Tama is going on. This is going on this way. And so those who are Sattik, they are called Brahmana. Those who are Rajasic, they are called Kshatriya. And those who are completely Tamasic, they are called Shudra. Vaishya, that is called mixed with Sattik and Rajasic mixed. They are called Vaishya Kula. Some also Upanishad explain that what is called little bit Rajasic and also Tamasic, they are called Vaishya. Different Upanishad explain in this way. Anyhow, so in this way, 4 Varna and 4 Ashramas. Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, Sannyasi, Grihastha, Banprastha and Brahmachari. In this way, explain these 4 Varnas. So in the beginning, that is called the Hamsa Varna. And Hamsa Varna and Hamsa Ashram. Because that time people, they spontaneous, they perform bhajan and sadhana. And their mood is very saptic, not contaminated in the mood of Maya, nothing. But when the more and more Maya influence coming, then people's mind contaminated. That time Vedas just they listen from the sadhus. So Vedas first not written in books or letters. Vedas just they listen. So Vedas first name actually called the Shruti. Shruti means listen and they remember. But the influence of Maya, then also their memory also are diminishing, going down. Kali Yuga more and more going down. Sattva Yuga they remember. Treta Yuga they remember less. Dapar Yuga more or less, and Kali Yuga remembrance almost finished. Kali Yuga's their brain not working, very little. Remembrance not so much. General speaking this way. So for this regard, Vedas then they wrote in this. So Vedas one name is called, what did he say? Shruti. Then people that time, the Vedas, those who are very nicely and pronunciation and recited this mantra, that time they are called Brahmana. So that time one Varna first. What Varna? What Varna it is? Hamsa Varna. First Hamsa Varna. And everybody you are equal. There is no discrimination. But when the influence of moods of Maya, gunas, that time they are slowly they lose their memory. That time they are discriminated according to the gun and karma. They are called, that belongs to that Varna and Ashram. So that time, that those people are very qualified to what is called, recited the Vedas mantra. they are called Brahmana.
Oh,
Eh? Brahmana. Brahmana means their Sanskrit is very prominent and very clear. They are called Brahmana that time. Yes. And those who are to protect the people, they are called Kshatriya. They are very, how is it called? Strong body. So they also protected this. Those who are to cultivate the field and business, other thing, they are called Vaishya. Those who have served the three varnas, they are called Sudra. Actually, that was in one varna and one ashram, that is called Hangsha varna. That is not discrimination. According to the level. And in your family, everybody, and if you are four brothers are not same quality, same gunas. Some is very calm and quiet, Shakti. Some are rigid, little bit also hard. One, your brother may be very Rajasic. I do this. So in this way, that time the Veda, that is called Vibhajan, divided in the Varna and Ashram. So Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Chatur Varna Maya Sishram Guna Karma Vibhagasha. According to the Guna, qualities are karma, what they expert. And those who are expert to read Vedas, they are called Brahmana. Very nice, nicely pronunciation. This thing. Om Tad Vishnu Paramang Padam Sada Pasanti Surayo Dhiviva Chaksuratatam. This is Veda mantra. Veda's mantra in three ways also. Pronounced. Udatta, Anudatta and Sarit. Udatta, Anudatta and Sarit. The Veda's mantra. As like Brahma Gatri, Om Bhur Bhuva. Tat. This is Gayatri mantra. This is Veda's mantra. But that time, actual ladies, they cannot also to chant this mantra. Generally, ladies, they are throat very soft. They soft. They cannot to chant the very high tune. Very difficult because they cannot chant. But some ladies, there's like Gargi, Maitri, Arundhati, they are not lower than any Brahmanas. But that means not all ladies are unqualified. Gargi, Maitri, Arundhati, Anuswa, who can compare with them? But most of the general way, the ladies' voice are very soft. For this regard, Vedas not allow to chant the Gayatri mantra of the ladies. So Vedas not allow these things. Sri Sudranam Bandhu Brahmanam. Here is also one sloka is available. Sri Sudranam Bandhu Brahmanam. Sri means ladies. Sudra means those are tamasic people. Or Patit Brahman, the fallen Brahmanas. Fallen Brahmanas means those Brahmanas not following the any rules and regulations of the Shastra. They are called Patit Brahman. So-called Brahman, that is not Brahman. Just they took birth in the Brahman family. But they are not. So Vedas not allow to chant this Gayatri mantra. Understand? Many also, they also complain. Why not ladies can chant the Gayatri mantra? Another reason, ladies are also, sometimes they also contaminated. So how they chant the Gayatri mantra? Need sacred thread. But that time their body when contaminated, they cannot chant. Shastra saying in this way. If you not chant the Vedas mantra 3 days, then again you fire sacrifice, again do big long process. So how many days? How possible? So every month, so again sacred thread, fire sacrifice, sacred thread. Not possible. So for this regard, Vedas not allow to chant the Gayatri mantra of the ladies. This extreme this. Are Shudra, they are tamasic. Tamasic people, understand? They are very angry. If you do fire sacrifice, your mind should be calm and quiet mind. And consent your mind to Brahma. Or tamasic people, they cannot concentrate mind to Lord, Brahma. So is it. And Patit Brahman means Brahmana Bandhunam. Brahmana Bandhun means that is called Patit Brahman. So that Patit Brahman, they are fallen Brahman, they cannot qualify. So Vedas not allow this. So in this way, our Varna and Ashram manifest. This is it. So how to chant? The Vedas is the pattern. But that time, then more and more time is coming. People, they cannot understand the Vedas. Vedas is very complicated. Not so easy to chant all the mantra, these things. One is called Aranyak, Brahman, Rishi Muni, they perform bhajan sadhan. So in the forest, that is called Aranyak. Brahmanas, they are qualified to fire sacrifice. That time also need 4 types of them. Data, Udgrata, Hota, Udgrata, another is called the mantra, and who is helping the people and to fire sacrifice, helping the people. In this way, that time Vedas, mantras and fire sacrifice, they many need these things. So in this way, Varna and Ashram come. Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, as Sannyasi, Vanprasthi, Grihastha and Brahmachari. Sannyasi means a completely detached from all the material things. No attachment but no connection with their families. They are called sannyasi. Sammag rupe nasanam iti sannyasa. And following the 4 principles. Just taking the cloth, red cloth, saffron cloth, this is not the sannyasa. This is the external. Sannyasashram means they completely detached from the land. But our Gaudiya Vaishnava, that is called the Narottam Sannyas. Narottam Sannyas means those who perform bhajan and sadhan and concentrate their mind to Krishna and doing bhajan sadhan and help to others. This is called Narottam Sannyas. And another is called Vivikta Sannyas. Vivikta Sannyas means they detach to material, as like Sukadeva Goswami. That is Vivikta Sannyas. They are not attached material. If anybody coming, they speak Harikatha, no need. They are staying alone and do bhajan. As our Rup Sanatana. Most of our Goswamis, if anybody will come, speak Harikatha, otherwise they are absorbed with their bhajan sadhana. Sankha Purukanama Ganana Divi Kala Vasana Krito Nidra Hara Vihara Kadiviju Chatandino Chu Radha Krishna Gunasmiti Madhurema Nandana Sarmaito Bandi Rupa Sanatanu Raghujugo Sajiva Gopala and 6 Goswamis. They are writing Grantha, doing bhajan and sadhana. If anybody will come speak Harikatha, otherwise they have no time. They did not give the special time for the others. For this regard, they did not build any temple, not anything. 6 Goswamis. They absorb their bhajan in Shastra. They discuss Harikatha on the bank of Radha Kunda. 6 Goswamis, mostly originals. What is his name? Who gave Harikatha knowledge? Raghunath Bhatta Goswami. He gave Harikatha. Then Rup Sanatan, they are sitting, they are listening Harikatha. Raghunath Bhatta. Raghunath Bhatta, he is very expert to speak Bhagavad, Srimad Bhagavad. This katha is coming in this way. Once he gave Bhagavad katha and discussed about Brahmar Gita, high level and separation mood of Srimati Radha. Then everybody also crying. Sanatan Goswami Pad, Gopal Bhatta Goswami Pad, Raghunath, all they are crying in sadistic. Rup Goswami Pad, he did not shedding tears, nothing. Then one person will ask, we heard Rupa is the best, but his heart is not melted, no tears rolling down, not why. That time, another person will say, you don't know the heart of Rupa Goswami. They put one little small cotton in front of his nose, then the cotton will also what? Burn in fire. When so much also fire of separation inside his heart. So in this sense, so Rupa Goswami's heart is very deep. Understand? If the ocean is very deepest, that waves are not coming big, as like Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean, the waves are not big. Other ocean, waves are very big. Because Pacific is the deepest, about 600, I think 600 kilometers. In the deepest other ocean maybe 2 minutes, not many. But Pacific Ocean, very deepest ocean. So in this way, once you heart very deep, you cannot see the waves of love. You cannot see. Small water, then fish can swimming and many wrinkles come. But the deep water and fish and swimming, you cannot see any waves. Listen. In the same way, depend on the heart. Swarupa Goswami Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu also explained this. Different kinds of heart of the devotees. So that means not who shedding tears, he is the highest devotee, or who is not shedding tears, he is the lowest devotee. You cannot say this. Sometimes people also shedding tears, pretending. Understand? Pretending. One old lady, she every day used to come listen Harikatha, Bhagavad Katha. One day the speaker, he spoke very nice separation katha, viraha katha. Then old lady, she was crying and crying, shedding tears. So after Harikatha, the speaker, he asked to the old lady, why did you cry while shedding tears? Do you understand something? She told, I did not understand anything. But 3 days before, I lost my one goat. My goat beard as like you. Your beard, the sadhya big long beard. So when you speaking Harikatha and move your face and your beard also moving, that I am remembering my goat. So I am feeling separation from my goat. Understand? So that means sometimes people they are shedding tears, actually remembering to his own life.
Da própria vida dele.
Huh? Remember this. Yeah. So Bhagavad Katha is this way. So different. But those who are Shuddha Bhakta, their heart is different level. Yeah. Some devotees' heart as like shallow. Shallow, understand? Yeah? Not deep.
Ah, tá, shallow.
And some devotees' heart very deep as like
Tem
É.
tem um coração
Pacific Ocean.
muito profundo, tá com o Oceano Pacífico.
And this is the different and Bhagavad this way. Yeah, devotee. So now coming in this way, just I told,
Então,
Varna, Ashram, this way.
vai,
And Sesse Adhikare Nishta, Jakritita, Sesse Adhikare Nishta, Sa Ashrama Kirtita. According to their Adhikar, they will belong to that Varna and Ashram. Yeah, Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence here. This way. Yeah. Yeah. So always I am giving one who chants holy names, he is higher than
Ele é mais elevado do que os outros.
Sambedi Brahmana.
Porque o Samavedi Brahmana,
É?
o Brahmana é mais elevado.
Aho vato sachi sapachatu gariyan jad jagre vartate nam tubbam te pustapasu sunraja brahmanu ram nam
Nama Grenam, que
aho vato sapachatu gariyan. Sapach means dog eater. If dog eater chants holy names, he is higher than
Ele é mais elevado
Brahmana.
do que o Brahmana.
or if Brahman not doing bhajan and sadhana chanting holy names, he is lower than dog eater. Yeah. So maybe question, one who chanting holy names and also eating what is called dog flesh, how possible? Before he was dog eater, now he is Vaishnava. Huh? Huh.
And you said that the Brahmana that doesn't chant holy names is
Lower than
lower than dog eater. Even if the dog eater is also dog eater and Brahmana is vegetarian, but also doesn't chant holy names, if both doesn't chant holy
vegetarian not
names.
saying this way. Vegetarian not. Give the emphasis about Hari Bhajan.
But both don't
Cows
do
also,
Hari
cows also eating, cows also vegetarian. So cows not the devotee.
But if both don't do Hari Bhajan, then
One who chants holy names and following the four principles, he is higher than somebody else. This is the conclusion.
Essa é a conclusão.
Understand?
Entendeu?
What did I say?
Eu falei.
Voila.
Fala aí.
This is
Those who chant holy names higher than some of the
chant holy names and follow the four principles. Then, Aho Vato Sapachito Goriyan Jadiyagre Vartate Nama Tubbham Te Pustapasu Susnu Raja. One who chants holy name, he performs all the pious activities.
Faz todas as atividades pedagógicas.
He performs
Significa que ele já
the
fez
fire
todo o
sacrifice.
sacrifício de fogo.
He performs
Ele já fez.
the Ved, Puran, Upanishads,
Estudou
everything. he did.
Veda, Purana, Upanishad.
É.
Ele está cantando Santos Planos agora.
Because holy name is non-different from Siva. So he says, Aho Vato Sapachito Goriyan Jadiyagre Vartate Nama Tubbham Te Pustapasu. And he performs all kinds of austerities.
Ele já fez.
Eh? Because one Suddha holy names,
Então,
pure holy names, manifest your tongue,
se manifestar na sua língua,
then your life will be
sua
successful.
vida vai ser exitosa.
Eh? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This is this is process how to chant one pure holy name, Suddha Nama. Most of the chanting holy name that is called Nama Parad. Understand? Sadai Nama Parad, Prabhu Nama Bhas, Yesava Janiyo Bhai, Krishna Bhakti Ravad. Most of the chanting holy name that is called Nama Parad. And sometimes Nama Bhas come. And Nama Bhas is emblem of holy names. That is it. The Nama Bhas, then all your sinful activities destroyed. Namabhas, how is it? Are again and again Namabhas coming? That is create the Sukriti according the accumulated of Sukriti, then you will get association of sadhu, or with the association of sadhu, pure sadhu, then you qualified to chant your holy name. This is the process. Without Suddha Sadhu Sangha, you cannot chant pure holy name. Sadhu Sangha, Nama Sangha. Always associate with pure sadhu and chant holy name. Then one day pure holy name will be manifested. This is the process. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan. What is your focus? How to associate with sadhu and chant holy name. Chant holy name means listen Hari Katha. Listen Hari Katha. This is also included with your chanting holy name. 1 hour you listen Hari Katha. This is also included of your chanting holy name. Because this Hari Katha is non-different from Harinam. Understand? One person chanting holy name. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And one person, 1 hour, listen Hari Katha from sadhu. Which is the best? Bala.
Harikata.
Hari Katha is best. Because that is Sabda Brahma. Sabda Brahma turns into sound, enter your ears and come into your heart and destroy all your knots. Are you alone chanting holy names? Maybe that Nama Aparad. 1 hour you chant holy name, 1 hour Nama Aparad. It's true. Simple way. Because you are saying, Sadai Nama Aparad. Kubhu Nama Bhas. Kubhu Nama is very rare. Kubhu is rare. Nama Bhas. And listen, Hari Katha is what? Direct Hari. In the Sutra speaks Hari Katha. That is called the Fasting. And entering. So Harinam, Hari Katha, non-different. There are no difference between Harinam and Hari Katha. You are listening to Bhagavad Katha. This is non-different from Harinam. But you have to chant holy name 6 times. Sankha Purvaka Namaka. You will say, okay, 1 hour I listen Hari Katha, so no need to chant holy names because 1 hour Hari Katha and Harinam. But Shastra saying no. You have to every day chant holy names. Sankha Purvakam. And every day you have to chant holy name 6 rounds. This time. At least 16 rounds you have to chant, 30 rounds, 32 rounds, 64 rounds. This is how Shastra saying Sankha Purvaka Nama. Listen Hari Katha. This is true. This is very important. But you chant holy names every day, Sankha Purvakam. Understand? If you say, okay, 1 hour chant holy, 1 hour I listen Hari Katha, so no need to chant holy names because that is equal to 1 hour holy names. You cannot say this. This is included about chanting holy names. Because Hari Katha is not different from Sri Hari. But every day, chant holy name, Sankha Purvakam. Our Goswamis, Rup Sanatana, every day chant 64 rounds, and every day they also listen Hari Katha. 6 Goswamis, they meeting together and they discuss Hari Katha. So Hari Katha and Harinam, both is. And Sarva and Guru Vaishnava. Otherwise we say, I am chanting holy Name Achi. You know, Name Achi? Name Achi. disciple means lazy disciple.
Estou cantando.
Eh?
Tinha um discípulo que era
Not good
preguiçoso.
disciple. Stupid
Discípulo
nonsense
bom,
disciple.
discípulo meio estúpido.
Eh?
Uma história.
Gurudev, once Gurudev told his Harikatha, listen, holy name is all in all. Whatever you doing, all the essence of your bhajan sadhana, that is called Harinam. This is true. What is the essence of Srimad Bhagavatam?
A essência do
Fala.
Srimad Bhagavatam fala.
Harinam.
Harinam.
Nama Sankirtan.
Nama Sankirtan.
Nama Sankirtan.
Nama Sankirtan.
Srimad Bhagavatam manifested Nam Sankirtan, in the middle Nam Sankirtan, at the end also Nam Sankirtan. Srimad Bhagavatam, 12th canto, last sloka is said in this way. Nama Sankirtan is just Vachi.
Nama Sankirtan.
Eh?
Essa vai.
Eh? Nam Sankirtan. Nam Sankirtan is very important.
Muito importante Nama Sankirtan.
So the essence of all your activities is Nam Sankirtan, not do anything.
Não faça
Eh?
nada.
So disciple is thinking, okay,
Falou, tá bom, então.
once Gurudev become very sick, Gurudev told his disciple, hey,
De doente um dia.
today I am sick, you do Mangalarti.
Tô doente, faz
Then
uma
disciple
aula
told
hoje.
Gurudev,
Aí
yesterday you, in your class you told, holy name is all in all.
Harinam é tudo.
Eh? I am chanting holy names.
Então, tô
That means
cantando os
Name
nomes.
Achi.
Name Achi.
What did I say?
Name Achi. Isso vai-
Name Achi, I am chanting holy names.
Cantamos sobre lá.
Okay, Gurudev, disciple not listen to my advice what to
Aí
do.
disse, Gurudev,
Kali,
vai.
Kali Yuga.
Kali Yuga.
Kalikal disciple not
Kali Yuga,
listening.
nessa época de Kali,
The advice of Guru.
o conselho do Guru.
Then Gurudev himself doing Mangalarti.
O próprio Gurudev
After
fez a
Mangalarti, Gurudev told,
Depois da Mangalarti,
listen,
Gurudev falou,
today I am very sick.
Tô doente hoje.
Eh? We do Archan
Faz
Thakurji.
o ótimo.
Then disciple told Gurudev, you told everything is in holy names. No, I am chanting holy name. Name Achi.
Então tô cantando sobre os nomes agora.
I am
Name
chanting
Achi.
holy
Eu
name.
tô cantando já, pô.
Then Gurudev worship Thakurji
Aí
anyhow.
Gurudev ele fez a cantação dele.
Then after Archan, they Gurudev told his disciple, hey disciple, you cook something for Thakurji. Then disciple told Gurudev, Name Achi. Then Gurudev cooked something.
Aí Gurudev que ele cozinhando.
Huh? Actually, he is not chanting holy name. When nobody their room, then he is sleeping.
Foto dele, ele ficava dormindo.
Or when anybody coming,
Quando vinha
checking
alguém,
job.
ele pegava japa.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna. Nobody there, nobody there, looking, nobody there. They take Name Achi.
Na minha arte, tô cantando no Santos Novo, mas tava dormindo. Assim. Quando não tinha ninguém olhando.
Then Gurudev
Aí
cooked
Gurudev cozinhou.
something,
Gurudev
disciple
que
not
cozinhar.
Then Gurudev told,
Aí
hey,
Gurudev falou,
disciple,
ó, discípulo,
now 12 o'clock
agora
you do
meio-dia, faz o...
midday arati.
Faz o arte meio-dia pra
Then
pegar.
disciple told Gurudev, Name Achi.
Gurudev não ia.
Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram. Then Gurudev do Mangal, what is it called? Bhogarati, midday arati. Then Gurudev told disciple, listen, today I am very sick, I cannot eat, so you can take prasad. Yes, Gurudev, from morning to midday, I did not listen your any advice. Now I have to follow your advice. What is your advice? I have to
Eu
take
tenho que tomar.
Mahaprasadi Govinde Nam. Not that time you're not saying Name Achi.
Ele não falou na minha arte.
When the prasad coming,
Veio
then
pra achar ele.
I follow your instruction.
Agora eu vou seguir essas instruções do Gurudev.
But this time you're disciple.
Good,
Good, Prabha. Okay.
Antes não...
Huh?
Ele tem ali, ó, ele...
Todo mundo. They have more questions.
Who's question?
Primeira questão é que eu tenho 5 questões. Eu pergunto depois, pergunto só uma.
Como é que é?
Faz...
He have 5 questions.
I have question 5 days.
5 perguntas é para 5 dias diferentes. Fala uma hoje.
Now one question.
Que tipo de pergunta eu devo fazer em momentos como esse?
Huh?
Tipo,
Pode
faz...
ser outra? He's asking what kind of questions he should ask now.
I mean, what is question? I don't know.
This question.
Any, one question.
Qualquer
Fala uma
pergunta.
pergunta. One is already.
Huh?
Tomorrow, no. One is already. Vai fazer.
quando eu fui para São Paulo, o primeiro Harikata, quando ele falou lá no templo Gangamatsu, onde é mato, ele falou a importância de nós que tomamos, que é chamado Harinama, agora também Chichi, a importância dos irmãos espirituais se abraçarem. Falar, não, ele instruiu que todos nós devemos se abraçar todos os dias. Eu queria saber qual a importância de abraçar o irmão espiritual todo dia.
He's saying that first, when you first arrived now from England, no, where you came now from Houston. When you came to São Paulo, I think your first class or second class, you said that every day we should hug each other, embrace to each other. Every day, the God brothers, God sisters, we should embrace to each other. And he's asking, what is the importance of hugging each other and how is this? If you could explain more about this.
This is love and affection. This is oh, hugging each other. So what is that? That's a love and affection.
Significa que tem que ter amor e afeição antes de volta.
This is a question.
Hã?
This is what is the question.
Qual é a pergunta exatamente? Qual é o significado de abraçar?
A importância de abraçar o irmão espiritual todo dia.
What is the importance of hugging each other every day?
अरे ये पागल Love and affection.
Não, significa que você tem que ter amor e afeição. Não tem problema.
Mãe da soma.
Yes, tomorrow.
Amanhã você faz a outra pergunta.
Love and affection.
Tem que ter amor e afeição um pelo outro. Significa um abraço.
Que você não quer abraçar.
Eu quero saber
Já vai?
como é que funciona as potências Shri Guru de Mudgata e Mudgata, e qual é a importância assim, da cerimônia de fogo hoje para todos aqui. Qual será o significado e a maior importância da cerimônia de fogo?
Duas perguntas então, né?
Duas.
Qual que você vai querer fazer? Two questions. Because a little bit different from each other. One is, how is the Sarvagata and Mugdata of Guru? Sarvagata and Mugdata of Guru. And the other is, what's the importance of doing fire sacrifice for us that will join the fire sacrifice today? These two questions.
So what the question? First question is what?
First question is, how is Sarvagata, né? All knowing, how is the Sarvagata of Guru and his Mugdata? How is... Você quer saber como que é isso nele, né?
Como funciona assim?
How it
essa
works.
questão de hora está absorto, né? Assim,
Hã?
nesse tempo, ali lida, e hora está assim conectado.
Tudo no mundo? Like one time, sometimes he's absorbed in Krishna Lila, sometimes he's like more open for the outside world, like people in this world. And Sarvagata Mugdata, he's asking about how is the Sarvagata and Mugdata of Guru? How does it work?
This is the inconceivable, Achinta Tattva. You cannot understand. This is Achinta Tattva. Achinta Tattva means what? Which were the beyonds of your material conception. This is Krishna is Bhagavan. Eh? But sometimes Krishna asks to Uddhav is minister. Krishna asks to Uddhav, hey Uddhav, I will go to Hastinapur or not? He is Bhagavan, he knows everything. Eh? So why doing this? Because this is the qualification of Bhagavan. He knows everything and simultaneously completely innocent. Eh? Or Guru's this application is way, Guru's this is called, he is absorbed with bhajan and sadhana. So he does not give attention the Sarvagata. If you give the attention of Sarvagata, all in power, he cannot act the human being life, human being activities. Yeah. Or always he was looking the faults of his disciples. Which disciple not doing faults? Eh? So you always will see that which disciples are drinking alcohol, smoking, or he will be doing this. He has no time. For this Yogamaya, cover this Sarvagata of the Guru. He knows, but he is not giving attention. This is the thing. This is the process.
Esse é o processo.
Sometimes he knows this thing, but this is no need to give attention.
Mas ele não precisa dar
Understand
atenção
this
pra
thing.
isso.
He gives the
Ele dá a
instruction.
instrução.
Then another thing,
Outra coisa.
all his activities as like
São
worldly activities. That is called lokic activities.
atividade do
When our lokic activities, worldly activities,
como atividade do
then our what is called lokic sadbandhuta, lokic activities. That time mamata will come. Mamata, the position is will come. If he manifests his sarvagata, then you cannot apply your mamata.
Você não vai conseguir ter uma capacidade por ele.
This is the process.
Why?
Eh?
How is it? Why? Why if he show you cannot mama?
What?
Why is this?
Why? If he manifests his opulence, how possible to manifest your mamata?
Como você vai ter possibilidade por ele?
If you think, and he has no appetite to eat
Ele não tem,
anything,
na verdade, fome de
so you
nada.
cannot
Não
cook
tem
for him.
apetite. Como é que você vai cozinhar pra ele?
If you think he is Bhagavan,
Sabe, ele é Bhagavan.
so no need to cook for him.
Cozinhar pra ele.
Bhagavan he eats
Bhagavan, ele come
everywhere.
Tudo. Ele come
He
tudo,
thousand
em todo lugar.
his
Milhares de pessoas estão oferecendo
but
várias
he
coisas, tá comendo
eats
várias
everything one who offer with his love and affection.
Daquilo que a pessoa,
É.
de quem oferece com amor e affeção.
Bhagavan he has two
Bhagavan
qualifications.
tem duas qualidades.
What is that?
Mas,
Many times you told.
várias vezes eu falei.
Atmaramata and
Aptakamata.
aptakamata. Self-satisfied and fulfill his
Todos
desires.
os seus desejos são
É?
automaticamente satisfeitos. Aquilo era uma satisfação.
Fulfill all his desires. He has no
Os
desires.
desejos dele são satisfeitos. Ele não tem desejo.
So if he has no desires,
Se não tem
so
desejo,
how to offer to
como
him?
oferecer uma coisa para uma pessoa que não tem desejo de nada?
Or fulfill all his desires, so no
Os
need to
desejos
give.
ficam satisfeitos, então como você vai dar uma coisa? Não
É?
sei nada.
This is the two qualifications of Bhagavan.
Qualificações, duas
So
qualidades
in the
do
same
Bhagavan.
way, when you think Guru is self-satisfied and fulfill all his desires, so no need to cook for him, no need to serve to him. So your sukrit, your mamata will not
Você
come.
não vai ter possibilidade de mamar.
So for this regard, Jogmaya arranged this way. He wants this thing. If I wash my own clothes,
Se eu lavasse minha própria
É?
roupa,
if I say no need clothes, no need to, I can wash my own clothes or not.
eu não posso lavar minha própria roupa.
Only one my kurta.
Uma curta.
I can wash my
Eu
own.
posso lavar minha curta.
But even no, I
Mas
will
o
wash.
cotton quer lavar.
This is. So when there mamata, they think I wash the cloth my
Possibilidade
guru.
de lavar a figura dele.
He can do everything. He's called self-satisfied person.
Tudo, ele é uma pessoa satisfeita.
He can do everything. He can cook. He can. Guru means his what? He expert all his
Perito em todas
activities.
as atividades.
He's not dependent on
Não
anyone.
depende de ninguém.
He can cook.
Ele pode cozinhar.
He can wash his clothes. He can do everything.
Ele pode fazer tudo.
He's not dependent on
Ele
anything.
não depende de ninguém.
You are thinking, oh, I am cooking, Gurudev is eating.
Cozinhando e Gurudev
That means Gurudev does not know how to
Então,
cook.
Gurudev não sabe cozinhar.
This is your misconception.
Essa é essa concepção.
He knows everything.
Ele sabe
And
tudo.
you cannot cook as like
Também
him
não consegue
also.
cozinhar como ele. Tipo, ele cozinha
Hã?
muito bem.
Just he accept all your
Você não consegue cozinhar
Seva.
como ele. Ele não vai estar aceitando o seu
Understand?
serviço, seu serviço.
he accept your seva,
Aceitando o seu seva,
service,
seu serviço.
and giving chance to
Dando
you
oportunidade
to bhajan and sadhana.
que você faça bhajan e sadhana.
So Guru means this that also he is a self-satisfied and fulfill all his desires, atmaravata, atmakamata. Simultaneously, he also takes your service. You're giving chance to bhajan and
Dando
sadhana.
oportunidade, uma chance de fazer bhajan e sadhana.
This is the process.
Esse é o processo.
So in the same, Guru's also sarvagata, mugdhata is there, but covered with yoga. If you look at my good disciple, he do bhajan and sadhana or to look the disciple or meditate his disciple. He meditate to Lord Krishna or meditate his disciple. Tell to me. Understand?
Entende?
Fala português.
Fala português.
She is not listening.
Quem não tá ouvindo?
Meditar no discípulo, no Bhagavan.
Ele visse as
My
falhas.
question is coming.
Minha pergunta é,
Gurudev, Guru, he meditated to
Gurudeva.
Krishna or meditated his disciple?
Krishna é um discípulo. Krishna.
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 Yeah. So this is the thing.
Esse é o ponto.
Eh? So, but he has knowledge everything. He knows the disciple what he is doing, what not he is doing. He knows everything.
Ele sabe tudo.
Eh? But he is avoid.
Mas ele evita
Eh? Otherwise he will look all disciples
ficar só vendo o que fez
false.
os discípulos.
Eh? Understand? He knows everything.
Ele sabe de tudo.
And like Krishna, he knows everything.
Ele sabe de tudo.
But still he asks,
Mas você me
look,
pergunta,
Uddhav,
Uddhav,
hey Uddhav, what will do, what not will do. Krishna saying Bhagavan.
Krishna Swayam Bhagavan.
He knows everything.
Ele sabe de tudo.
Sarvagata.
Sarvagata.
But why did he ask Uddhav?
Ele pergunta para Uddhav.
Because making this the Loki Sadbandhu
Esse é o
Bhakti.
que salvando o Bhakti.
Yeah.
Pensamento como
This is the thing.
como
Eh?
uma
Now 8 o'clock.
Ah.
Sarô,
Eh?
tem uma pergunta.
Peraí, Ananda,
Quick, now 8 o'clock.
fala pra rápido que isso é
In Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya tell about the meeting between
Fala aí sobre
Shiva Parvati and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But say nothing about this meeting.
Eu não falo sobre esse
Huh?
encontro.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and
Shiva and Parvati, they meeting. In Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Lila, they meeting more than once.
É que se encontra mais uma
Maybe
vez.
twice, I don't know, but
what is the subject you
Qual é o assunto que
I
você quer
would
falar?
like very
Eu
much to
gostaria
know
muito de
how
saber
was this meeting,
como foi
because
esse
Chaitanya
encontro.
Charitamrita
Porque
tell
a
nothing
gente
about,
tanto
only
não
tell
fala
they
muito.
meeting.
Fala
But
só que eles
what
se encontraram.
happened?
Mas o que aconteceu nesse
They-
encontro?
They meet
Quem se
during
encontrou?
7
Shiva,
days.
Parvati e Mahaprabhu.
see Parvati Mahaprabhu.
Aham.
Yes,
What meeting? What conversation?
Que
What
conversa
say?
que aconteceu? Que
yes,
Isso que ela quer saber.
I want to know.
É isso que eu quero
Tell
saber.
me,
Pra
please.
mim,
I not understanding his question or
She's saying that in Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Krishna Kaviraj Goswami mentions that Shiva, Parvati and Mahaprabhu they meet together once or twice
Madhya Lila.
in Madhya Lila. And
What is show the
mostra pra mim os loucos.
They are in my home.
Your home,
Tô
I
na
will
minha
go
casa.
and show
Quando
to
eu
the
for na sua
Chaitanya
casa, você
Charitamrita
mostra
what
pra mim.
speaking.
I will show you.
What speaking? You show to me,
Isso,
then
tá
I
bom,
can
mostra pra
give
mim.
answer.
Aí
What
eu
is
vou poder
speaking?
responder.
What conversation?
Que
What the
conversa era
subject?
essa? Que assunto?
What circumstance? What is saying?
Constância que é.
Eh? Good, Prema.
Pergunta sobre Jagai Madhya.
Huh? Are you are Jogai Madhya?
Essa também é de ganhar.
Char बोली नहीं.
Canta Santos Dumont. Qual a pergunta?
Se eles eram
Jagai
encarnações
Madhya.
de Vijay e
Ah,
Vijay.
he wants to know if they were Joy Vijay incarnations. Joy Vijay.
Jai Vijay. They were the Jagadananda and Madhavananda. They are also Jai Vijay.
Eles eram Joy Vijay.
And helping to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Então, Mahaprabhu a fazer a lila.
Yeah, Nam Sankirtan. Huh?
What's the proper thinking while we are doing while we are participating?
If you participate in Agnihotra, then all your sinful activities destroy.
Participar do sacrifício.
Agni Devata will destroy
Agni
all
Devata
your
vai
sinful
destruir todas as
activities.
atividades pecaminosas.
Yeah? Good.
Vijay!
Yeah, chalo.